Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. And before we get started, we ask that if you're watching this video that you take the time to go and hit that subscribe button and that little bell up in the right-hand corner so that you know when we're posting new videos about our fall gardening and about our high tunnel setup and then about our spring gardening that'll be here before we know it. So today is day 3 of setting up the high tunnel. There have been delays because we did get a lot of rain. The cooler temperatures did come in, thank the Lord, and we got down to 55 degrees, I believe, Wednesday morning or Thursday morning. It was Wednesday or Thursday morning, and we got quite a bit of rain, and you can see it's been quite muddy out there, so there's been some delays, but they're going to get back to it today, and they're going to work on putting up the hoops for our high tunnel. Let's do a quick check on what's going on in the raised beds. You can see here my radishes that I planted a week ago are doing fantastic. Again, these are fast growers, and we expect us to be able to harvest them within the next 3 weeks. It's about a 28 to 35 day growing time, and these are going to be absolutely delicious. They are very high in antioxidants, and I'm looking forward to getting them. Quick shot of the carrots coming in. I do believe the shade cloth on this raised bed has helped them. They've germinated quite well. There's still some coming up there in the middle, and so I think I'm going to make a decision today, guys, and I'm going to pull up these bush beans. Although I think they'll produce a little bit, I need to get something in the ground for fall, and I think I'm going to put some of my Swiss chard and cabbage in here to get that going. So that was a quick update on what's going on in the raised beds. It's going to be about 89 degrees today. So I'm excited, guys, to see how these trusses and how these hoops go up and just how big our high tunnel is going to be. Stay tuned.
From that.
Here's my blue bar.
Oh, okay.
Number 2.
Do I need to turn it?
So you want to put 2 on here from now on, or are you just going to leave it?
No, just one. Because they use that different bracket.
Oh, okay. That's right.
I think.
Oh, yeah.
Miss Bear helping with the greenhouse. She had to come over here and get a cool down. Number 5. The Lord's really given us a good day to do this. Getting a little rough on that one.
Oh, start putting these bolts this way now? This way? Or you?
Last one going in, guys. This is the last hoop. Thank goodness for our brother-in-law, Joe. So here we go. Poles are 4 feet wide, or apart I should say. And this is the structure of the high tunnel. Day 3 complete. Okay, day 3. And you can see the guys got everything up. Everything is looking great. So tomorrow starts day 4. We'll get it all going, and they've got to put the wood down, and they got to put, what else you got to put up, honey?
The purlins.
The purlins.
Purlins, baseboards, we got quite a bit to go.
Purlins and the baseboards, and we got quite a bit to go, he said. Okay, day 3 has gone by, guys, and they have it all set up here. They're gonna have to put the purlins up, and they're gonna have to put the baseboards down, and then it's gonna be time to put up the plastic. So we're still probably about a week and a half, 2 weeks away, but we appreciate you watching, and if you like what you see, we ask that you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, and we will be in touch this week. We got lots of good things going on. Take care, God bless, have a great weekend.